United fan na utimi a obetimi akọ YouTube na wadwan ne wo show no so ukọ YouTuber na wo comment na e dia ba menim se wo fa so say Ruben Amorim ono ebeje adwuma ne ho de akode a wo comment ne ba na yakenkan e dia ma won hyehyɛ wo do so beta me sensem na say dia free Ruben Amorim na nyame anim ne Manchester United ekọkọ board draw na omo draw na omo boy no eno na akọ fa sem edi aba enti winning percentage no wanya na wo de ama boade na fe wo de atoso kama so edi ama me na me pato nim say Manchester United any Leeds United na a boy na Manchester Sebako abante ne de Matthias Cunha wono na onya go no edi ma Manchester United ana fe abante de na di Eronsen wono so abo atena no edi ma Leeds United oboko no enti game na nkasa de ekokoye 1-1 eno ye Manchester United omo game a wo mo eboye kofa asem edi abaye na on air press conference ana Ruben Amorim pato monse no so say press conference no Amorim wanwie ne bufu ye ana Amorim eja ho ekoye na dentia Ruben Amorim eja press conference ni nyina ye say yasin central for ya say ye ni questions and ye kobi Amorim say open say yaso na ya Manchester United head coach na uhuni say open na kasa na we de akwa fasam edi abano Ruben Amorim say yanka emo bi anta say Manchester United akwa fa no edna ba no mo ka tell say wo ba be manager wo man ka tell so ba be coach say ke coach eduma pa na wo mo ka tell dan ka kwabena anka wa ma na yesi no ana kofa 7 nyina de abana yentie Ruben Amorim.
I just want to say that I'm going to be the manager of this team, not just the coach. And I was really clear on that. And that is going to finish in 18 months. And then everyone is going to move on. That was the deal. That is my job, not to be a coach. If people cannot handle the Gary Nevilles and the criticism of everything, we need to change the club. No, guys, I just want to say that I came here to be the manager of Manchester United, not to be the coach. And every department, the scouting department, the sport director needs to do their job. I will do mine for 18 months and then
Enti kwabra mukote ne say womu fan so omna me manager oman kan ten so omna me coach enti aba ne players am beto a eso onya say ewom aba ne scouting a eso onya say ewom beta sa ba bi mienu na me bubo so nyina no anka ne ma miensa so coach squad no and say ohwe aye the recruitment ana afi ohwe scouting ni nyina ne eso ne hubo beta obedu Manchester United de omo de ama ne pe aye squad ne pe aba se Manchester United beto player omo consider no aba so best scouting players now they say ono Ruben Amorim no omo e consider no enti ono wedwaye pa enti press conference ni wanwie na kwabra obo Garnevel din no ana Garnevel mo pon game na no Kotre TV so no say akoy obekọ pe ni wa wasa ase ata say mimitim ba bi obobo mi din akwa timi se aduma na furu na nya de say Ruben Amorim ebetimi enso ya aduma na de Manchester United na di enti na Amorim buafo me pato ya say Ruben Amorim say o ka Manchester United say wope Oli Watkins since aya summer that means last year and oya san komunto Oli Watkins and famo mukabna was so one no make say player be or good and it Oli Watkins and will be some say player by so Benjamin Sesko no say why na this Sesko say we the buy and so sporting director hono Jesse Wickos ho na Wickos na this recommendation no adi ba no bi sa Wickos na Benjamin Sesko and Oli Watkins one na good wo me Benjamin Sesko eba on there on pe Benjamin Sesko kwabna yeso ka sabe pe ana Chelsea sporting director na ye de na mama abopa na e dey ise ana ye zo megu ya wapam koti okata ne say play on betimi atono Benjamin Sesko anya de so on betimi ato Oli Watkins ene ye number 1 ano kata so okay say o ma anya Oli Watkins omo e wan to asemenyo ho enti ankomo he na ankomo nya asemenyo from Manchester United me pato anto asemenyo dia no so yeso mo koka ho aseba Manchester United so omuniska enti on de onya na ko nka na ko manto ne yam na this January on beto player bi opep e dia ma ono Ruben Amorim ana kwabena ye say Amorim so kana no tum na watanya January do ya na okoy no kobi so mo say bona mo say me no aduru ho na January no mo plans dey say Manchester United say this January o mo nyoma do so meto player bia enti say Amorim I na adwin say wo mo ba meto player bi pa dia man dia ene onto na adwin because wo mo nya ready yes kwabra I want tension nyina esase enso eba enti proud to say mo ba be bo Leeds United na papa na dwa papa enti anona tension center for so eko henya mu amadia na akwakopai na ne interview osan ko ka say Manchester United no ba say oba be manager o ma me coach pepepe ana yasin payfon su abuafu enti omofre no me na no maka tan say adwuma no de do so omka so omna me na omo hede we si kwade a anka se ne Chelsea fire omo de fefe no on dia se na kwabna munya de fefe we problem bia ne atire enti on mutual consent no na obia mpani ba bi anso fete pato reporter eba yese Ruben Amorim ono so Manchester United adwuma no wejai e dia to ho na mom no dia wo mu ankasa pa no ana tese mama wonsa anso akanti minim se mu ye okay dia wo ye okay se wo ye okay we okay
oye koba ye ba
me we okay kwabena we okay
ne bende ze dia okọ
we okay
okay dem
okay enti okay mama hwese andi mama winning percentage na andi minim say one mam winning percentage na nka me hwe na me friend juma okay enti winning percentage na mama was screen so swear na Ruben Amorim ne Chelsea head coach me pato Enzo Maresca obi a winning rate no Enzo Maresca agi 2 trophies edema Chelsea bobo kono na winning percentage 60% and Ruben Amorim so buy na kwabena tie ha ne hia ye pa Ruben Amorim ba pato wanye trophy bia ne winning percentage 39% penti no wudimi so on wodi pamanka za ne de na nka ye sacking enya ne saka homo ne tiraze a ze mutual consent we ye pure sacking na kama pamade beti na nka ja mahini bag de go abonta ka de zo peyi fa utiri ho ko na adwuma no ntimi yenti pato ani ye de free Manchester United akate edi eba ego adwuma de so na proper ma mense so na say enfama ewo dwumade so na onim sa anoda PS bobo kono enya kwanya so friendly gano one besamba top nti ano to say dwe enya go anafe Osman Dembele enso enya go wo mu ete Paris FC ebom ntram ye no mo timo ba ko elsewhere uko Olympic to Marseille Marseille bobo kono enim se chana so amata se Mason Greenwood mo ebo adwuma na ano da FC Nantes eto bom ntram ye no a wo mu 20 uko league table no dia still na LCD Lens bobo kodomom and LED after 17 matches no 40 points and ekrom PLC atosumi no mo 39 points and after Marseille 32 points in pato adese team and deadly metropole and so tosumi ansa womom 32 points and after 30 points no equal Olympic Lyon and a reporter eba our friend league and na peno make a chile kakra ediama na meko itiri na makwa kodi juma kakra uko itera siria na adese team and di Inter wamu abantana miansa ama Polonia etibo bako abranta de de Castro ono ana on the 83rd minute no wonya golden bako adema team and de Bologna me pata branta de Zielinski enya go Martinez enya ne Jansana Turam enso de bako county entera miansa sababa pe na esi ekoye access Napoli omkoti adesa Lazio abom entera mi no amam so entimate abranta de Spinazzola enya go ana fe adesa ene no Ramani so enya ne de anti eno so awon koma kakra ne Juve de minimo kwabna kwaba ko ho draw we so baya draw sa Juve dia we di to matia omo bodo senti omo ni lete and so ebo draw and team no enso ya dia eto dwa makene wodo na enya de only go enso edemo and league log na sisia na Inter 39 points omo lead and afi Milan and so 38 points and Napoli atoso miensa womo 37 Juve atoso 9 womo 33 points Roma and so atoso enum womo 33 points abenya Como atoso insia ho nti sabebepe ana iterence dia na nkoma no esiche beta mami Antoine Semenyo enwe adwuma kakra na Antoine abon 100 game adi ama AFC playoff na nya sam koto akra na no dance no na tumi se game no kama de Antoine Semenyo na kwabena Antoine Semenyo ni move to City and common baby akokodu enie sisiane yesi agreement in principle maybe personal terms so maybe bibia amatese o head the way city dia kwabena kame say wasan wi anesa akaso de pen besi paper so keke na afi wo bia agree say ade ne enya edimesa say sika omede 12 branch no ebenya abamu 65 million pounds and no release cost so mutia edema AFC Bournemouth na yesi city bobo for no as he said o me fix bibia no ayo okay ama Pep Guardiola so aja tum say Branton de oba e betimi aboa City bobo ko ni ye pa enti up to ene ekokopim the 10th day of January essence Sunny release cross no Abraham said the next 10 days yana yes a few days no fiwa ahwe anata say AFC Bournemouth bobi on person me dia Branton de no we meet me the agenti reporter mensaka say efi na ya kopim on the 10th of January there na team and the Manchester City officially omanya assign Branton de no and Antoine Semenyo and team and a reporter ever ewo ejuma de so kwabra sane obey the first ever Ghanaian player we see akan there ama Manchester City bobo kontim ano reporter ever command sadia na ekame say one Thomas Tepate and Michael Lesian and ekame say obo Premier League na wo mabo teams akese na pa essence asamo mu nyina bubo bi ni ade but jump into mu nyina bubo bi better we compare City any Chelsea any Arsenal was so at the 10 other clubs okay sisi no with the Kudus Mohamed and Subaba because West Ham United and so no mpato you can say Tottenham Hotspur and also Johnny INT and your reporter Eba ewo dwumade so na Abrante de Daddy Ibrahim Diaz oyo Morocco ni ba na akoda no no so editumu so be sia kan e de ma de Morocco na team no kwabra no so record no ya na oye this AFCON you see in the history of the Moroccan national team no say about AFCON na one player in every single game bia no when you go no ebi shedansi Abrante no and the first ever Moroccan player in their history in the AFCON as a single AFCON when you focus in a continuous matches woman so Abrante and Abrante de Ibrahim Diaz no and them nyina kama adema akodano na unim se Morocco mo te Tanzania epo matana ba ko so entimante Ibrahim Diaz koya and onya go no edema South Africa woman so ayen akenim sanka de anema betimi akoye edema South Africa man sa yes Nigeria for any diade omo ya no se samono no na no da guys mummy nyanso ana tese na say ana say Cameroon atoma pom ntram you know ama tese omo so etimatimu bako entim anu ye matesa eto edwa na no da Mali enso game na timi ekoye ama tese omo ni Tunisia ebo won when ekune ba na we no na ese omo so abo mepato say omo abo penalties and the on penalties no and ohema they say omo so etime e dia come anima and Mali e dia man so advance e dia mom Senegal and so eti kwasi apia and ni team no bom ntena miensa am so etime ba kwa no e reporter etotwa e wo dwumadie so mepato and matesa eba so no Benin and so ni Egypt ebo Nigeria and Mozambique na ebo anti we matesa etotwa e wo AFCON no na no pe no make it kakram adiama wo dwumadie so na me ko Real Madrid na uko Madrid bobo korma eno ada omo sane omo na mu se Madrid at Real Betis ebo omo ntrenum amata so omo so no etimitimu ba kwa Abrante de din ade Gonzalo Garcia enya go na Asensio enya go Garcia Samba eba be bo ba ko eka ho ansana Ferran Garcia enti kwabna Garcia for ne de eno omo di adwuma bruta enti urema 5 goals no Madrid nkoda na ye promote omo ba omo na nya sa goals ni nyina edema Madrid team ne na man for say Vinicius Junior anka ya Madrid den turn because akoda ne ball na obo no na man for view sa e go so de pa na anka ja wo ma bo Mbappe ntentano ho na anka akoda we agina number 9 no so ade ama Madrid ntie ane ye Gonzalo Garcia reporter if akoda na kate adi aba Barcelona and so Daniel Mone Robert Lewandowski enya 2 goals ade mama wabra wo mo so mo game na timi toja entem ane ye reporter etoja e wo dwumadie so na no pe no wo mo ti Espanyol edo mo agra na no pe me ketire ade ama na ano na wo Madrid bo wo na reporter men say ka say Ubaka Zabi Alonso eba no yese ode ne backroom staff ana eba enti wo mo aye physical trainer opanya ne dia Antonio Pintus wo mo captain so onkonkoda num ho na onkofa nkoda ne nya adwuma san say Madrid for ne benya agidie bi say wo mo players na no mo prepare na papa no ana nsa da mo training ye ana na players ni prepare kwabra reporter men say ka say yese Madrid for ne hwe di o ma wo say da bi team no say o ma mo pay we am senior team na ebe ha adwene because o mo sin so pay we efi senior team no ekọ enkoda num ho no players no mbobo kaka no mabre and to move stamina. I had dear Hankudani panty, sir Omunya saw the physical trainer no, Emanasa bad the senior runner, a Bebwa Matas, Madrid Bobocono, and your man sweat Makoye, the Amamuti reporter, Mensa Eka, sir, Fiontino Perez and Casa, Madrid the president, and yes, so Niseti Akate, and pay for some Moena, Omu paying some man at Juma the senior side, and Chania reporter, Epa, Jumedia Swanano Peno, Yakabi Ediatona, Sabia Alonso Swakasa, and not I see so junior esia kani na so no mo hweso no wa fa ba na chese mother supporters no o mo de mensan sa ano peyinsa in fact ade o mo ye di tia brante no ha dwuni ye pa beta akoda no ball na obonde na ni jona no da game of so junior abode ma Real Madrid no na game come very important to Madrid the bobo kono and team ono de player ne de o ka to Philippe so junior na come say o ye di tro and the reporter eba e wo tumade so na memory Alexander Soloff and so enya go Admalatico Madrid wabra wobani susadat game no and so eba so abranta di din adu gudes wono na take kan bako and so the bomb sa game ne kokoye aye 1-1 and so ho na over the top 6 e La Liga ne ma say ne sitie Barcelona 49 points omo lead Madrid 45 points omo tosumi no ana fe Villarreal and so atosumi ensa womo 38 points the same point Atletico Madrid omo tosu aye and anafe enum no Espanyol Barca for etomu jomu agro ana team Madrid enso team no di ni agro no enso atoso ayensia no reporter eba odumade so na no pe no make tire adiama wa nsisia wodo nyina so na mamemko City and Chelsea game na Mendi Juma Kaka, ewo go for I would also so now Gabraze game no a 20-year part Chelsea and Manchester City no but where you want to stand for video and the dear papa we cry and set down first team coach and the didn't boy away and 10 for no and the deal no so Kwabna de Anjo Fernandez one on take no Edema Wabrati Dan Renders and go no Edema Manchester City Ayobo 90+4 and Chelsea answer to Makanti Chelsea Nehemiah Kama Edema Chelsea Bobo Quintino and your reporter Eba Awudumade so now and your point game na your head coach is all here today no and so I Callum I Mac Falani and here besan sir game no who is or so in fact another game na Kama na Enzo Maresca Eduma no obey the Chelsea no kwabra what was to pa in fact one kasa no or shock sir disease eba sir Enzo Maresca enso ekwa no da no many bibia ye sir wom so betima ata at least we betima win game na etimi abo no da omokonya do no munya do a ono so nani adun ye pa no da oso ye obi ti say James game or boy any the way na Mexico ya ade a ebo Chelsea bobo ko ni ye pa no reporter Callum Mac Fulani Eddie Eba Awudumade so na no pa na make take kakra Eddie ma ye ko bi say Pep Guardiola sir game no who ni say oye okay with result waro so enya ya na no pay na chance in fact another City game no na enya is a gra na game no mu ye din na niti City adwuma na at the moment also oye no and to be obi bisa na say in the future say wo just City wa kwa one day do betimi aka say in fact na niji wo City na adwuma na City enso ye sisi no team ni baby aniama esi kono I do happy with it I do your reporter Eba Awudumade so na no pay no make take kakra edi ama Awudumade so na mamenka fundamental toss adesa Arsenal womo so any AFC Bournemouth womo enso game no Arsenal bo antena miensa abranta ni de Gabriel wono nya ne go Declan Rice enso nya ne de match ase de manyina kama erma Arsenal bobo ko na utumete ne jano e wo so de pa Arsenal for few sir this season one better Premier League no na omaji UEFA Champions League na dia ka because Declan Rice ebo brace ne dia edema kama abranta de tin anso de adesa Nelson enya ne jana for Krupi wo me bo sa 2 goals no edema AFC Bournemouth edema no pay make for kakra edema na Aston Villa I don't know only Watkins wo player na akofa how dia ba abo wi ma judgment no e dia akono me pato on him again wo me na enya 3 goals no edema Aston Villa Boboko no wabro mote Northern Forest ebomo atena entrame so motimu bako abrante ni din ede Morgan Gibbs White ono ana tika no bako ede ma Northern Forest ana fe Kudus Mohamed Mpato we mu game o Sunderland boy na Kudus entiben wie sa game no kwabna abrante no enya injury na Asad now no yenya update bi ase injury bi be taking 1 month and now say be 2 weeks and now say enya prebia bia the next game betime sia kan the ama Tottenham Hotspur eno enya emba Liverpool Boboko no and so and Fulham wo mu ekokobo 2-2 me pato from vet enya go and afa card gap enya ne de abrante ne de was ne Fred wonu na wo mu tika no and so mienu no edema Fulham Boboko no me pato Newcastle and so equity Crystal Palace in fact I know the same James Park na omo bontena mienu abrante ne di Eddie Groom Bruno Guimaraes wonu enya go and afa abrante ne din ede Malefiao and so enya go ni bi ede mo ntintina mienu sababa pe ana esikwesi sia de league table mpato say the city after 20 matches City Wamu tosumi you know in fact Arsenal na LED Arsenal 48 points wamu lidi and Manchester City tosumi you know wamu 42 points after Aston Villa 42 points wamu tosumi ensa Liverpool tosu enai wamu 34 points Chelsea tosu insia wamu 31 points and Manchester United Chelsea tosu num wamu 31 and Manchester tosu insia wamu and so our 30 30 points no the free Manchester United akate Adi Abana reporter mensaka say kwabana what coach na yes oba behwechi dia mam no unyantie yes Fletcher wono na ba be adwuma dia mam na we treat Dalen Fletcher na ana ono na ba be yin se ba ko na ye Carrick na modi man first no ana we so modi amano say ono so mna mehwe na eja onye adwuma no emfa mamu wo eye nhihye ahodo so Ruben Amorim, the third manager artist who taking charge of Manchester United since Alex Ferguson Okoye and Inti Kwabna de Tiano and Dalen Fletcher Bana some of the man there. Neja Ababe the 11th manager and Tiano Soon Kobaka Krane. Na Kwabna Kotisa, Wamabo Moko, Mabo Mokodo, Mamemu Bosso Kakra, David Moyes. By and then we turn the crime. And I'm there and gigs say, oh, my mayor caretaker. And I'll be here poto. And I'm confirmed Louis Evaha, Uncle Vaha, the buyer, a bay man, and I'm just on Yadi. And I'm confirmed Jose Bawino. Adding a band of Marino Bay manager, or Betty Jim Crew about whom you be the mammo. And I'm so when you're fine. And I'm confirmed Olegana social, adding a buyer. Ulan so bad or bay anywhere, and I'm so on a coronade. And I'm more kind of 2 coaches, Eddie Muboom, Mokofa, Michael Carrick saw me head to and after Mukofa Rafranik adding a bar. Say, or no, some now interim coach in Tino. At a point in time, I said, you nipa mi no elho ana mujo mu nyina kwa na mkofa arete hag de na ba kokura tipa se eja nko no so meye aduma no oye na mu se emfa ana mo pam no ana mkofa Ruben listo we de na ba akwa we na nka ese mu de aduma de ba no obeye aduma kama na mso valisto we nyade wanyade ano wadodo wa se okoso sa park na ese na nia pa players no so valisto we krampo ka na inkrabo ba park no so ana kwabra mu jade kwa na mso Mako Portugal goes there. Akwabi ya de papa popo ni meduma no atese your friend Ruben Amorim. Mose kwanya wa faso kra aja samu maradio kra timi he goes there akwabi na obayade. Muzo Vito Jokeres. One boy Vito Jokeres. Esa 40 plus goals ni ade and to obayade na mkofa akwadi ne ba. Mo ne ba na kata mu se. Players ne o ne tates no. Amfa na o he. Samu coach na ade o se na bufu kra ne se. Mo kata so ntenyi ne tates. O se tates ne here. Tates ne here.
O Vanisro na wo kanu. Ya di dwumadie ne ma no. A okofa Leicester so hu.
There be some Honda no yard. Some na mugu na
babu. It yard ya no once we Leicester.
Leicester no nya ni pedigree no no ni akasifo na he aduma. Oni teams agaze na he aduma.
After Alex Ferguson ya four coaches ba wo. David Moyes, Ranges,
yes. Louis
van Gaal, Jose Mourinho, Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, Michael Carrick budina.
Omaba.
Aben 1990 Eric Hagaba. Van Nistelrooy and Numra Franek. Omudina still na.
You see I do Fletcher so.
You see? On say you be ko break in me can be. Your problem na managerial.
Na o ma me ma winning percentage na na
winning percentage dey o han wan dey.
Amorim.
Na we dey o the winning percentage be dey.
Yeah there. Jose Mourinho na mo so onyade no na ne winning percentage dey 50.
Say me referee Jose Krawo.
Aha.
I'm referee Jose Mourinho.
Mourinho na ne winning rate 58.33%.
No, Mourinho dey no. Mourinho yam pam because of performance. Who's at the point no any players in your problem. Abrante crowd is a Popoba. Who's a do maybe no any senior players no ntokwan at the end. I mean, yentimi pam players. Ati say who individual and debate me pam.
Okay.
But I players need at least as a bomb but
Uwema
inti only say in the pam no.
enti
Nenye basically I mean ni performance inti. What I say?
Why
ni suban bi ha no si manage players.
Nya botre wako fa asema ba. Why na pamo Ronaldo koye no? Why ya?
Enya
Ten Hag ana mo pamo no beboa. Enti you say
also on one dressing room.
Me ba. You say Mourinho me pese me ya de bi na ate ase. You say Mourinho say Popo ba hagre.
Yeah.
Ana oni ni nya problem.
Ni problem kwa senior players.
What dem me ba. Ma emfa dia oni din wo so Poba. Ana mo pamo no beboa. Ana efiri o mo anya sa issue na biem na Olegan everything ha ba. Ana Ten Hag so oba o de Cristiano Ronaldo. Ana mo pam kwa na de Poba pedigree. Na Cristiano Ronaldo pedigree. Na se pa mutimitra ho. Aba Benjamin Sesko. Etimi pa mo Amorim bakwabda. Emutimi egwewi ho. Because Amorim problem yi, Benjamin Sesko enya we.
Na ye di agro.
Kwabda Benjamin Sesko.
Manchester United
Manchester.
Say mo me swap eh.
Ose
Mo a chance for me and swap.
ye coach na ode ye ball we na o ya ade o.
Yeah, come on, Mama, my ask, and I'm a family.
An o we ho be ya ade atem.
Mon family and for my ask.
En kenu be ya kofa bi awie nkanye sa ade a.
No, aba.
Enti ye de Amorim be ko Strasbourg.
Mo de wan be ko
Amorim ye de ne be ko Strasbourg no akwa ye adwuma no ho.
Amorim.
Anke ye nya onel die beta ye de Amorim be ko Strasbourg na akwa ye adwuma no.
Manchester United.
Menimu awie. Menimu awie ma memra Chelsea dia so mpacho afi na be story papa na mo se mutimi de nyeti kwa boade nye Chelsea stories na me fi na medu stories papa no na me nko fa se memra
Chelsea story papa be no
kwa bena wo
apart from some pam maeska
ntitie
said ma mu nyendu tu ade hu ba ko no
enti ti de ya pam enso maeska
oyere
but we Chelsea ni a tie ni pa the reason why entia in fact Chelsea ampamu enso Maesca na so ntimi nya adwuma ni biem enti se Chelsea ka so mo pam na ade so mutua compensation e de ma panyin no ana papa no so ka so okwa na da mi se ne niam bi o nyina no onya enti de se o mo tena ase wa fa no mienu ni nyina etena ase na o mo agree se obia nko ba bi obekọ se na bia mfa problem bi anye de ema because se Chelsea eja ni mu a what it means ni say and now there's a papa in prempro betimi aye adwuma bia e be te say Julian Nagelsmann ene Thomas Tuchel de na oni Chelsea na omo no as a Chelsea pam no na so na or your contract or under contract with Chelsea enti abasa e Chelsea na be jani mu say fi woni team bia anye den enye adwuma pato emprempe ya make say the Enzo Maresca ene say team bi ba na so say woni on be ya adwuma Chelsea ni say because on mutual consent no be atiase and on party way but e dey pa na cover problem ni ban pato problem ni nyina yes say number 1 yes say Enzo Maresca say Chelsea medical staff no ono mu problem enti problem a papa ni nya ya ode age adwuma no Chelsea medical staff for kwabna sem ni nyina yes say Enzo Maresca say ha na medical staff na ba be captain say players ni bi ha want to be enyu mo enti bedu baabi no so yes lesson medical staff na mpeso mo kire ni players on fanya ni selection no se dabi ono na aduma ya nya ni sao enyo na ba be chance on fa player A mo on fa player B mo anaso on fa player C mo ono no aye ni selection enti se opa no so ba be head coach no wo dia aye medical team medical staff ade akwabena de obetimi de amana yese obema no suggestion udi we ba ebia ni pra ne say ne sitie ebia be say opa no aye den wade atum kwabena o say edu baabi no medical team no mba no ase wo mu se ne chinchina se emfa we mo fa we bo ana ase ono mo sha se enya problem ni nyina yese Chelsea players a wo mo apira a mo recover eba no kwabena yese medical team no a okwan on pese on fa so a Enzo Maresca eyisu omom ana Enzo Maresca nso e kwan yo person of so eyisu side players no enti ono on the medical team no agree on a basis and also on terms any number one the hani bi empa ya say
number 2
sa sam na ekoso no for no the hierarchy no as a owu so mo back medical staff no wa bra nka so mo back on coach no and nti no ba beka against yene Everton sasa game no obeboy no within 48 hours no obre pa ansana obebo sa game kwabna na no sa ade no because wono gidi ye pa say mutimi maka tempe for na captain say players na ewo ho no so utimi manage no yuso mu ye odo mo bo Champions League odo mo bo Premier League no mu do well so mbeje o metimi ade ana no so okay de obetimi aye say obeye rotation oye rotation ba ku na ebuka ma kwabna na o se o matwe no adna kwagina ba bi na o mama no buku tintin scrutinizing na was sa de na nya de na ni ye de edu nti mpain for na protect no mpain for na back no eno ne ade a ebem ana so ko mpain for ko kato so okay ne contract ayato 2029 emom City ni na ba be din komo yeso ne Manchester City I have meetings 2 times wani Juve anya meeting ateso ma yente bedu baabi no na akwa no so anya na adwen se okay se Messi say na samonya ma me dia anya do betimi dia beat Chelsea yes Chelsea man contract extension because the contract no e wo me say till 2029 no was so options so be some another 4 years aye den e the account say sadia Chelsea for activity and onya den and from kwabna yes no so okay ya Chelsea for say we drop 20 points our Champions League any Premier League no sa points na wa dopem o ma mu head anti asenti no o mu ade bia o contract na nyanso ye a obeka se yensa mo another contract nye den enfan count Chelsea pay for the fees papa na ya greedy because o won say City ni na di nkomo a Juve ni na di nkomo baba na fe o peso baba di say Chelsea for sika bia Chelsea for nye ready prepare so me den won be no say okay say sa de ne ye ntiase call baby na me so be de me nkom baby nti number 1 aye medical team no number 2 aye say was in paying for them protecting no and after my market number 3 aye the contract and won sensem and after so asaka say and come to players and farmer no sa players na ono so omanya and farmer no and also can better no kwa de enye major issue sa rotation in sa medical team no one no problem na no mo no and na tell e ma papa no wo mo tell say o mo agree a say no so ekona kwabna coach na oba ba aduma no Chelsea campaign na emu
okay
ana owo na on say Chelsea the same as Strasbourg no our friend league an the only difference obi abo the league nko na emom no obi nyina ya under blue ko for na Chelsea for say opinion team adilim Rosinia omu fi say aduma no betimi aduma no kama ento omu di Rosinia ba na fe watimi aba ba aduma no kama e de ama Chelsea kwabna no na oba landed anope yeso omu be nanu kwa ba we interview be newum ade mu ma he wa aduma ne ma ya wa adwen so mu de ma
mu di Rosinia na eba
but
Chelsea
o kan Rosina na kwa akoye mbadi
muko fa ya Jackson ba mfa is it the Rosina no mako
no Rosina ya mbadi
munye serious say mo sa club
eti kwabna on the
munye serious baako
onu so we ma nko ji tim papa bia oh he Derby County interview Hull City
interview
Derby County na no interim coach
Derby County hono
Hull City dey na o coach ankasa
okay
hono ihu so ya de na ekofa na cost Strasbourg
okay
ana o ya de na winning percentage so ye pa of course Strasbourg 49%
from the French league no me the neighbor Premier League
sa o ya de point no
relegation no say boba
what's say
relegation no
ya tosu no mu
oh timo otosu no mu ebe league bi no
go okay they are now
all right
they are now
and say the two major clubs were England Chelsea and Manchester United now but also my ask the NS kakao because me the month of November I don't know you as the best manager of Premier League in December ni apam no irony of life
December say na no crop fake injury onko ye interview also
coach waje manager of the month November
also ya
December ni apam no
also ya so obo ani Also ya le so bo ni buafu. Also adwuma no onye bi.
Enti apesi se adwuma no se mo swap. Amu de Rosenior se wan ho amoma no nko. Ana mo nja mo ni emfa mask.
Amorim de anko betima e Chelsea.
Momfa ai Amorim nan ke emfa mask na.
Na tese
se de ho nsem ni besi akọ.
Ugidi ye pass Enzo Maresca ni madwuma.
Oh yeah. Me I feel man no madwuma. No, sometimes obi ti say Amorim see. Ayala ta kan say me say sometimes I won't bang situations are. Oh, can ya na ne kanu ABB, but say wo bang situation no. Na enyeme ha wo behuni otibia. Emma sometimes e bia won say bia wo kan previously say bia. Sa time no e bia nka won kasa. Look, Amorim mejitum. So when the winning percentage of 39%, Manchester United, I mean, it's or from because Manchester they a result-oriented a team. Enti yemfa coach mbana over 39% winning rate.
One trophy.
Ena hawazanyi trophy bia. So enti holidays and kawa on ticket box no. But so tie stories na ebando maintain the side of Manchester hierarchy no. Maintain on the side of the story. But so tie Amorim sem na all kana. To some extent, me feel say concerns no already no. They are legit. First of all, I say mobile fan mo catch and so a manager. But obeji adwuma no. After the announcer were turning from manager to a coach. You take a decision now. Sporting decision mon kan jere no. O catch them penifo ne say me put only Watkins as my striker. Because that time no one kasa Jokers or Copen no enya no. Ano catch them penifo so Watkins. I will say academy Aston Villa. Now only Watkins and mo catch so only Watkins no. Yenya na ma ye kofa Benjamin Sesko. Na Benjamin Sesko me pan me feel no. Ati an sama kofa Brighton ndaba. Fine. Benjamin Sesko be onya de. And also okay, Antoine Semenyo abeda ho. Yes, and trigger na yina around bear to say, Yankofa Brighton na. Ono so mo yam so yenya scam fan kofa no. Enti Antoine Semenyo eko ACT. I mean, someone is our players when as a result of ma. O pamena mimi feel so one fair to open, you know. As much as say yes, ocean winning percentage away from. I think that the Amorim yeni na ye titibi wa bonten say sadia. I think yanya fair to open, you know, because mimi say that me come say Benjamin Sesko, whoever sanctions Yankofa Brighton and Brano, why a great disservice to Manchester United. In fact, boy and kappa Aquano and striker was some papa. Two of us are striker weba. That's a result of Manabe Pamana. Me, I disagree with you. It's not fair. And when you say, yeah, but na yabe mama the story behind the story. Oze my culture say New Year we no 2026. E ye fireworks ahani en kan some keke. So what I say? Ye ka fact. Ye muye dream and ye conjecture. And ye more facts no. The story behind the story. Enti mas kani Amorim ni na no mon semo ha. Minim say ye be wram so na ye din komo no. Etimi edi amamti endo mas ka ko. Samson Ruben Amorim zafe na adu afide na to ha. Also, the news is that after complaining, say players go and penny for time no ne, and someone do be a few say no, and na emblem result ne mano, and penny for sitting to time on Fetch Medino and 20 say say Manchester United and so no any a coach say or Marco Father and Fletcher so or no, and na I'm a share actually copy so benya a new coach at the Abanti over to the message number na ya can at the amount.